Hi everyone, trying something new today. Using a different recorder and some other things to try to show you a computer screen. So if any of this doesn't work, we'll try something different. So as part of all of the things going on in the world, the people at SmartMusic have decided to make their service free. Some of you have used it before. It's pretty awesome. If not, this is your chance to kind of get to know it and play around a little bit today. So I sent each class an email with a SmartMusic subscription code in it. So you'll go to follow the link that I sent you, use the class code, enter your email. They want you to enter an alternate email in there so that you can get your passwords if there's ever a time you need to do that. And then you should have access to the program. I'm hoping that when you do that, you will have a screen that looks like this. I'm not sure that this will be the same, but the important stuff is over here. So I was just going to show you a little bit about one of the ways that I like to use the program. For me, there are pieces that I've really enjoyed in my life that I've never played. So I can type one in. Symphonic band, you'll know maybe what I'm going to type in here, Lincolnshire Posy. And it is there. In fact, there are two different versions. The easier version is a little grade 4 version that's not too bad either. But they're both up here. In this particular case, I don't think it matters which one you choose, unless you're someone like Levi with that soprano saxophone. I believe that was in the B version. So, but you can kind of check that out. So I'm going to click that. And it looks just like the score that we had. I'm going to open it. Of course, I play the trombone. I want to look at the 6th movement, and of course, I'm first trombone. So I'm going to open it, and it should show me the music. Now, there's maybe some pieces that don't actually show you the music, but I think that most of them will. But that's something you can kind of check out today. There's all sorts of stuff up here that you can switch around, but for me, I just want to play along, so I'm going to press play. And like every other great tune in the world, I rest forever. But eventually, it'll show the part that I play. Not sure whose recording this is, but it sounds like a pretty good one. It is an actual band. And I think you can see that this is a pretty cool thing. So your assignment today is just to get this whole process going, make sure you get a subscription and that it works. I've never done a class subscription where I give you a code, so we may have to explore and figure out how to make this work. But your assignment is just to find a piece or two to play along with, maybe a piece that you played before, either at the high school or at the middle school. See if it's on there, see if the part's on there, see if it's as you remember, and play along. Some of you asked if you're not working specifically on the sort of exercise and you're not really working on a piece, then you should be working on a solo. Well, you don't have to. If you would like to play along with these concert band pieces, that's something that you can work on. Maybe some of the harder pieces that we've had, maybe get better at the parts. Or especially those of you in honors credit, we're going to have to figure out eventually how to get the honors credit for a solo ensemble doing a solo. And remember, SmartMusic is where the piano accompaniment is anyway. So your solo should be on there. You also can search for some solos that some of them may have the music posted on the screen. I'm not sure how many of them have that. Most of the really hard solos are not going to have that music on the screen, but they are going to be able to play the piano accompaniment. So definitely check it out and see if this is a way that you can explore some more music without having me meet you up at the high school so you can get into the music library or order in something online. But I've always enjoyed SmartMusic. Now you have a chance to use it, and enjoy.